If you get a message on your Anycubic Kobra 3 saying that the memory is full, here's a way that you can delete them off one by one. So if you go to the print and then you click on print, it'll show you all the models which you've currently been printing. So you can just click on the model and then the three dots at the top there, you just click on that and it says delete or export. So you can just delete it and you can go down and do all of them. And there you go, you delete them all off, which frees up memory on the card. I don't delete the test models off, I'll just leave them on there. But that's how you free up space if you get the message saying that the memory's full. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out for other videos which I'll be posting.